In Better Food today, it's one of the most popular items in her bake shop.
And Sade Owoye of Sweet Equations is here showing us how to make it. We're talking about her amazing gummy bear maize cake. Oh, this looks amazing. Thank you so much for bringing it to us.
Yeah, this looks great.
I mean, look at this. And I love that this spins, which I feel like if you're going to have the gummy bear cake, you need it to spin too. Can anyone buy this little device?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, so you could just get it off of somewhere like Amazon.
That's the highlight of the day, that the cake
spinning
over
gummy bear cake.
So you can see all sides of the cake.
What a great idea. Now, are you a gummy bear fan? Is this what made you come up with this idea?
I have to say, but what I really like about it is just the aesthetics.
It's so pretty.
You know, it's just very pretty. And then when you arrange the gummies in a really appropriate fashion, and it turns out to be a maze. So I think that's what makes it a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's very Instagrammable. So you're going to show us how there's actually a cake under here, is that right?
Yeah, so there's a cake under here. And I have to say, fun fact about this cake and doing it in the Sweet Equations store, it takes us about like 25 minutes to assemble.
That whole thing takes 25 minutes?
Yeah, so
I would think it would take like 25 hours.
Wow.
Yeah, so not including the baking, of course, but just the assembly, we really have it down to a systematic process. So it's just, you know, just putting on the gummies and it's already pre-arranged.
Okay.
So I'll take you through the process of making that cake. We're going to be making a mini version of this cake, which we like to call the uncupcake.
Okay.
So we like to say it's better than an average cupcake because it has frosting as well as gummy bears all around the sides and the top.
Okay.
So to do that, you're going to have to start off with some baking. I pre-made this cake. This is some chocolate cake. And then you're going to need pretty much like a cookie cutter. So you're going to take the cookie cutter and make an indentation in the middle of the cake right there.
Do that now?
Yes, you can go ahead and do that.
The serrated edge?
Yeah, you could, do it with the non-serrated edge. I think that will, come out a little bit better, just like that. And then you're going to need to do, I would say about 2 pieces. That's what we typically do. And then you're going to stick that right on there.
in the middle?
Yes.
Okay.
And do another one?
Yeah, just do one more. And then before you top that with that piece, you might want to grab some frosting and just put some frosting right in there. Yes. Right in
on the bottom of it to stick to the?
Yeah, not on the bottom, right on the top, yes, because you're going to be moving this.
Do I spread it or just put it there?
Yeah, you could spread it around.
This is your glue.
Just, pretty much, sticks the 2 pieces together.
And then?
You go take it out.
Yep, take that out just like that.
And now stick it.
Stick it just like that, perfect.
Okay.
So the next piece is setting up the piping bag. So I'll go ahead and show you how that's done. You're gonna need some scissors. You're gonna cut the edge of the piping bag, and then you're going to throw this in, which is a coupler. Okay. So you're gonna stick that right in there.
That's how that works.
Yeah. Okay.
Then you have your tip. So
is this a new thing or has this been around for a while?
This has been around. This is pretty standard. And what's so great about it is that you can switch out the tips.
Okay.
So this is a 12 tip, so there's no design on it. And then you're just going to screw this piece right in there.
Okay.
And then you have your bag. So we're going to just fill it with a little bit.
Okay, so is this what you want? Scoop it in here?
Yes.
All right, so if anyone has basic cake decorating stuff at home, you can do it with this. You don't need any special. Oh, I put too much, huh?
Yeah, so just a little less. So just stick it right in that bag like there.
Okay, a little bit more?
Yes.
All right.
That would be perfect.
And that's about it or more?
That should work.
That should work?
Okay.
Yes.
And then we're gonna fold this up?
Yeah, fold that up. And then you're gonna start arranging the gummies. So the process we like to use in store is green, red, orange, clear, and then yellow.
Green, red, orange, clear, and then yellow.
Yeah, so you start at the bottom. So you're gonna grab that green gummy.
Okay.
You're gonna add a little bit of the frosting. You're gonna stick it right at the bottom.
I'm gonna stick it like that, and then we're gonna go green. Now, I'm just trying to go fast because of time, but also because you told me you did that whole cake in 25 minutes.
Correct, yeah. So, and then what I actually did to help you both out is I started a cake right over there, just to kind of show you how this looks as you start to arrange it.
As you do it?
That's what's going to happen.
Want to hold it up?
Do you want to stick, they'll get a shot of it.
Yeah, so the key to this is, once you get to the second level, is really tearing the colors. So on that second level, you're going to start with green under the red one. So that's what makes the
So you
maze
have to
design.
have a pattern. You don't necessarily have to have your pattern, but it should have a pattern.
That's exactly key. Yeah, it could be any pattern that you want, but if you want the maze design, it has to be some type of pattern. And I will warn is that when you're making this cake, you definitely have to wear your patience, because for the first time, it does not take 25 minutes.
It takes a lot longer.
Yeah,
Right,
imagine
and
it
also
wouldn't.
don't ice the whole cake. You want to do one bear at a time.
One bear at a time. And in the event that you're making a larger cake, such as a 6-inch or an 8-inch cake, as you see here, that's when you can frost the whole cake. But when you're doing it on
Okay, you could do it with that one.
Yeah.
Or if you want it to look like this and know that it was ready for you quite quickly, you can just get it from Sade.
I love this.
That is correct. Yeah. So we have this in store, and we actually have this cake on display all the time in store.
So if you'd like to check out some of Sade's other sweet treats, or maybe order the gummy bear cake for yourself, just go to her website at sweetequations.com. The shop is located at 827 Farmington Avenue in beautiful Farmington, Connecticut.
This was amazing. Thank
Yeah.
you, Sade.
Well, thank you for having me.